guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. That's your vibe. I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my Boxycharm by Ipsy. So if you want to see what came in my August box, then let's go ahead and get on into it. So if you don't know anything about Boxycharm, which you're a little... let's center ya. It's $32 a month plus a $1.99 handling fee for 5 full-size items, which let me move this over here. You do get to pick 3 of those items on the 1st through the 3rd of the month, and then the other 2 items that Ipsy picks for you should be based off your profile. And then your box should be up to $200 plus in value. So you do always get a card with a beautiful person on the front, our theme, which the theme for this month is Get Golden. Whether you're soaking up the last days of summer or easing back into a routine, this is your moment to explore what keeps you grounded and glowing, no matter what's next. And then on the back, you can scan to take you straight to the app or the web page to view your products. It tells you that you can now gift Ipsy, Boxycharm, the icon box, and all of that. And it can, how to do that. Go to Ipsy Gift, and then we have our sneak peeks for items that can be coming up in our box. So our first one is the Tarte Shape Tape Pressed Powder. I would love to get that. I'm going through powder like it's nobody's business. Then we have the ABH Lash Sculpt Mascara. I've used it before. It's fine. It's nothing to write home about. If I got it, I wouldn't be mad, but I wouldn't pick it. And then we have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Rescue Barrier Balm with dimethicone. And I don't need that, don't want that. So that is everything on our pamphlet. So we're going to start with my 2 power picks that Ipsy chose for me, which our first one is from Glow Recipe. And this is their Cloudberry Bright. Oh, get off of there. Our Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. This retails for $38. It is a nice glass bottle. And it says this essence is infused with cloudberry, which is a superfruit rich in vitamin C and CoQ10, a powerhouse antioxidant, to help even your skin tone and brighten dull skin. With the addition of rice water and 5% glycerin, it hydrates, nourishes, and locks in moisture for glowing, refreshed complexion. So we have a nice pump on here. Let's see. So, AM and PM, dispense 1 to 2 pumps, press in, so it's more of an essence. I want to feel the formula. Oh yeah, it's much more of an essence than a toner. Ooh, it has a light citrusy scent. So it's going to be a while before I get to this. I did just open an essence. Let me wipe that off. Which makes me kind of sad. I was hoping this was going to be more of a toner. But it's fine. I use an essence every day in my routine as well, so it is something I will still get use out of. It's just going to be a few months before I get to this in my routine. But I'm not mad about it. I like Glow Recipe, so there is that. Then our other item that Ipsy chose for me is from What's Up Beauty, and this is their matte liquid blush in the shade Oziana. I'm sure I'm horribly pronouncing that. And the shade is a soft pink. So this retails for $25. And it says get ready to glow with this blush that blends effortlessly for a smooth matte finish with a sponge applicator, which I love that it comes with plastic wrap over it. It has flawless application. This liquid formula is packed with skin-loving ingredients like rosehip oil, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid to help you hydrate and brighten. So this is the color of the blush, which it is a beautiful color. This is going to go in my giveaway drawer, though. I do not like this kind of squeezy tube puff packaging. Even though I'm sure the formula is great, I think the color is beautiful. This is just, it's not a delivery system that I enjoy. So I'm going to throw this in my giveaway drawer. But let me know if you got that blush, if you like it, if it's, you know, a really nice blush. But that is my other power pick. And now we're going to get into my choice items. So my first choice that I made, going forward, I'm going to try to remember to take photos of everything, all of my options that I had. But my first choice I made was the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil Setting Powder. This is in the shade Translucent and has an SPF of 25. This retails for $35 and it comes with 6 grams of product in here. So it says this finishing powder makes your skin look filtered in real life. It's weightless, talc-free, and sets your makeup to extend wear while giving a blurred effect to your skin. It has a mineral SPF of 25 to shield your skin from the sun as well, with no flashback. And that's what the inside looks like. I'm not going to open this right now as I just opened a new powder, but I always need setting powder. I go through it. And honestly, because this has SPF in it, I might even save this till next summer. Does this have an expiration date on it? Not that I see, because it didn't come in a box or anything, so. But there's that. Then I got, from Half Caked, this is the Essential 3-piece brush set. This retails for $40. Ipsy says $40, but when I looked on Half Cake's website, it says $44. And it says it's your new secret weapon to a flawless beat, whether you're blending, buffing, or setting. Oh, well, here, I can tell you about each brush individually. Each brush is designed to work beautifully with both powder and liquid formulas. Ultra soft vegan bristles and precise shapes make it easy to get into every contour and corner. No streaks, no patchiness, just smooth airbrush perfection. So we'll start with the smallest brush. So these are what the handles look like. It's just a matte white. They are very light. We've got like a plastic, but this is the 260 brush. So this is the Paw Concealer, a uniquely angled brush designed to easily access hard-to-reach areas on the face. So what they're getting at with this should be your concealer brush. That's what I would use this for. It is very soft. So I think that would be a beautiful concealer brush. You could do some nose contouring with it. Highlighter if you so choose. Those are just some options, because you can always use your brushes for whatever, but it's meant for concealing. Then our next size up, this is the 120, so that is the shape here, and this is the angled foundation brush. A luxurious contoured foundation brush that instantly delivers a flawless finish to the skin. Perfect for liquid, cream, and powder foundations. Where? Like, let me show you, because I have 2 brushes that I use. Let me get this box out of the way. I have 2 different brushes that I use for foundation. So the one that I use today is a flat, like, kabuki style brush. That one's from e.l.f. And then I also have the BK Beauty 101, which, okay, similar shape. But just this small brush is going to take you forever. I personally think that this brush, due to the size, would be perfect for cream blush or cream contour or bronzer. I think that's what this would be perfect for, just because it's small. If it was a slightly bigger size, I think it would work for foundation and be perfect because of the shape. But it being so small. Like, I don't know. You can absolutely do foundation with it. I just think it's going to take you forever. But they are all very soft brushes. And last but not least, we have the 205 brush. And this is the finishing powder. A large rounded brush custom designed to be used all over the face with both liquid and powder makeup products. What liquid products are you using this with? Because in my opinion, this is just going to be like a powder brush for me. I don't know. Let me know what liquid products you would use this brush with. Because I would only use this with setting powder and finishing powder. Maybe bronzer. Maybe blush, powder blush and bronzer, but I just don't feel like, I feel like it's too big for cream products. I want to be more precise with my creams. This is the heaviest brush of the three, which makes sense. It's the biggest brush. But again, all the bristles, they're very soft. Just, there is slight shedding. The handles are just super light. So, I don't know. I'll have to report back to you on how those brushes handle. And the last product that I picked before we get into, I did pick out a points product, so that's in here as well. But we got the Danessa Myricks. It's the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Low Lighter Powder in the shade Unbothered, which is a mauve pink gold. And this is the packaging. This retails for $27, and it says this tinted, light-reflecting balm-to-powder formula contains skin-transforming illuminators that blur and add a soft radiance all over the face, plus ups the light to absorb excess oil and sweat, vegan squalane to blur and retain moisture, and hyaluronic acid to hydrate. So, let's see what this looks like. Ooh. So it's giving like blush lighter, maybe? I don't know. I would have to play with this color. Because I'm definitely not putting that all over the skin like it says to. But I could see putting it maybe just, you know, all over the cheek as like an underpainting situation, maybe? So my box value is $165, which is not bad in my whole humble opinion. Let me shut this bad boy. We've had worse, we've had better. It seems to be how it always goes, but it's not bad. I'm not too upset. The blush, like I said, it's just a delivery system I don't like. I think the shade is really, really pretty. And the brushes, I picked them, so I am happy with them. They're a little lighter than I thought they were going to be. So now to get into my points add-on. This is from Seraphine Botanicals, and it is their Camelina and Strobe Luminizing Primer. So this is a full size. So this retails for $18. I got it for free because I used my points. So it is sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed for right now because I have a full-size primer opened at the moment. But it says, tired looking skin comes to life with this natural looking glow enhancing formula. Provides a smooth, lustrous base for any makeup application and boosts the look of dull, sallow complexions with a touch of subtle iridescence. Formulated with rose, hydrosol, and camelina, which is gold of pleasure seed oil, to help skin achieve a silky radiance and brightness. So I'm excited. It's cruelty-free and vegan. 12-month shelf life. Yeah. I'm going to, like I said, leave it sealed for now because I have a full-size primer open, but not too shabby if I do say so myself. I wish they put, like, updated what's in the points store more. But I'm not mad at this. I'm happy. I didn't know it was going to be a full size. I thought it was going to be a sample. This was 600 points. So, yeah. Always be checking the points store and be using your points. But that is everything for my Boxycharm and my points. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know, were we box twins? I'd love to know. Otherwise, let me know what you got in your box for August, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.